So, hello students, this is your plus 2 chemistry class and today we will discuss about the application of electrochemical series. First one is application or what is where it is its a value affects that standard reduction potential in case of metals and in case of non-metals. So first one is greater is the negative value of standard reduction potential, more is the reducing power of the metal. If the value of standard reduction potential is negative, then the reducing power of the metal will be more. And in the same case, if the value of standard reduction potential is greater value of this standard reduction potential, then more is the oxidizing behavior. Like stronger is the tendency to gain electrons in case of non-metals. So in case of metals, if the value is the more value of this standard reduction potential is negative, greater is the negative value, then they have a more tendency to act as a reducing power of that metals. And in case if the value is more, and in case of non-metals, then their oxidizing behavior is more. It means stronger is the tendency to gain electrons. Next is greater is the electron positivity of metal, more will be the thermal stability of its oxides. If the electro positivity of this metal is more, then their thermal stability of that oxide will also be more. Now in case of a displacement like metals with negative value of standard reduction potential can displace hydrogen gas on treatment with mineral acids. When they are treated with the mineral acids and that standard reduction potential value is negative, and they can displace hydrogen gas. And metals with negative value of standard reduction potential can displace hydrogen gas from water also. So they can displace hydrogen when they are treated with the mineral acids and they have a negative value. And in that other case also, metals they can also displace or give hydrogen when they are treated with from water. Next, like examples, alkali and alkaline earth metals liberate hydrogen gas on reaction with cold water. Like alkali and alkaline earth metals, they can liberate hydrogen gas when they are treated with the cold water. Next one is the metals with less standard reduction potential can displace other metals from its salt which having greater standard reduction potential. Means the metal which has a less standard reduction potential that can displace other metal from its salt which having greater standard reduction potential. Means the metal whose standard reduction potential value is less that can displace that other metal from its salt whose standard reduction potential is more, value of standard reduction potential is greater. So these are the applications of electrochemical cells. Thank you.